Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. When I picked this, I thought, oh gosh, this is so reflective of what's going on and sort of mirrors what happened last week in the cards. Look at that beautiful energy, the Ace of Cups. Now this popped up last week, the Knight of Rods or Wands. And then this is beautiful, the Sun card. And I've got two other cards I want to bring in later. Now let's begin with the Ace of Cups. New starts and new beginnings, that's what aces are all about. And there is a sense of divine timing and perfect timing, fate and destiny. You know, it was always meant to be this way. I love it. Now the cups represents feelings and emotions. So with this in particular, this is about an emotional rebirth, and it feels like a new dawn. You know, that's what it feels like. God, they're doing the emotion thing already. A new dawn, a new beginning, a new start, a new energy. It's like, oh, and new emotions, new feelings. This is the potential for this week. This is the potential for you to start filling up your cup, you know, with happiness and joy and peace and contentment. And if you look at I love the picture of this particular deck. This is the Hanson Roberts deck. And if you can look, you've got the lotus flowers there. You've got the light pouring into the cup, the vessel. And this vessel is you, and you just see the light streaming into it, and it's just full up, you know. So you feel full with happiness and your essence and your greatness and your brilliance. And oh, I just love this. So whatever is happening, whatever you are working towards, you are, you know, this new path that's opening up for you, it will be like an emotional rebirth and regeneration. Oh, and boy, do we want it and need it, and yeah, can't wait for it. The Knight of Rods. Knights are all about changes. So yeah, we know this. We said this last time. Change is here. It absolutely is. It's been here for quite a few years. Rapid, big change. But a lot of the change in recent years has been about you letting go of the old and reconnecting with this new energy. And so therefore it's been extremely challenging. I think I said last week, this particular energy is to do with your passion, your heart and soul, your light, things that excite you and motivate you and, you know, really get you going and like, yes, this is it. It can relate to your business, your life's purpose, your life's work, your career, that sort of stuff as well. But what I love about this, there is a real energy with it because you've got a wand. So there's this fire, there's this energy, there's this movement, there's like, here we go, you know, like here it is, this is it. And the sense that I mentioned this last week, that you're escaping from difficulty, like, oh, you know, thank God that was over. I'm so pleased. I'm in this different place now. So you get that sense with it. And then the beautiful, beautiful Sun. This is such a good card. It relates to hope and optimism and being uplifted and feeling happy and joyful and content, you know, and blissed out. This is a blissed out energy. I think I might have mentioned this a few weeks back. The word glory for me at the minute is coming through with this particular card. You know, oh, just absolutely light and glory and hope and optimism. There is every reason for us to feel that way now. Every reason. Look, you know, we're human and we're still playing the game. So there's still going to be some work to do and some adjustments and that sort of thing. But we have gone up to another level. There's a lot of success also attached with this. So some of you might be getting like news and opportunities, and if they're not arriving for you, if you're not seeing opportunities, go out and search. Do different things. It feels like just there is so much potential in this energy in these few weeks and months. Like, don't waste it. Do new things, meet new people, read new books, look at different things, because it feels like they're trying to get through different ideas, different information to you. So spread your wings, open yourself up to the world, to different experiences, because the opportunities are there. If you're not seeing them, you're looking in the wrong places, or for whatever reason, you've got your eyes closed, and that will be an internal thing that part of you is trying to keep you safe. So release that. The sun card can also link to things in the card. So we've got the sun representing travel. Some of you might be traveling. But for me also, it's about the light, about connecting to the light as well. You've got babies and children. You've also got animals with the horse in there. So some wonderful connections with the new souls that are entering this world as well, whether it be animals, babies, children, some beautiful, beautiful connections. Now, these two cards made me laugh. I love these energies. First of all, we have a yes, an affirmative yes, yes, yes. So some of you might come to this reading with a question in your mind. If that's the case, this is for you. It's a yes. So have you come to this reading with a doubt, with a fear, with a worry? Oh, will it be all right? Can I do this? Is the time right? Is it now? Do I make my move? Do I take action? Do I push myself out? Do I push my comfort zones? Do I get, you get the idea. Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. And this one, big, happy changes. I don't know if I need to say anymore. It is a wonderful, wonderful time. If things aren't lining up for you, as I said, I think last week, that means there's something in your energy field that needs releasing. We're energy, so and we've got the law of attraction at work here, meaning that whatever we are thinking and feeling and vibrating, we attract to us. If you've got something in your life and your world that doesn't work for you anymore, you need to change that in your vibration in order for it to leave your life, in order for you to move on as well. Now, also bearing in mind something else that's just dropped in, you may have made the change to your energy, but it can sometimes take a little while for that to leave your energetic field and for the new things to attract into your life and world. So there is a thing about patience there as well. But if things aren't lining up, definitely check inside of yourself and see if there's any more inner work to do. I mean, my word, that for me, there's always inner work to do. I've been clearing for England this last year. To be quite honest, these last 25 plus years, I've been clearing my energy field, changing my thoughts, changing my emotions, changing my beliefs. It's been ramped up in 2019, so that was major, to the extent that I almost had to really retreat into myself virtually for the whole year. Apart from doing these, I couldn't do much else. But now they're telling us the stage is open, the stage is set. They've just put a green light in front of me. It's all systems go now. So if something isn't connecting, go within, do some final work, because it is there. It's game on. they are ready, and as they just said to me, the stage is set. It's a definite yes, yes, yes. So we need to get ourselves absolutely game ready. All right, I hope it's a great week, and thank you so much for watching.